so many videos, and then I'm gonna see. Yo, it's real. Oh my gosh. Yo, what is this? Oh, it's the Roblox Studio logo. Oh, okay. What else? What else is there? I got it. Oh, that's the. Oh, come on, bro. Why am I stupid? Okay, let's go here. This is the maps. I gotta see it. Okay, there. This is the maps. I can't interact with this, but I can interact with these. These are buttons for disasters. Okay, meteor shower, flood, lightning, fire, tornado, tsunami, blizzard, sandstorm, volcano. Okay, I don't know. This interrupts me. Virus and hurricane. I don't know what that thing is. Okay, let's go back. Well, I think that's all I have to for today. So, if you like me, make sure to like, subscribe,